Hello ClickChauffeur drivers, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to apply a weekend surcharge to your bookings. Adding a weekend surcharge helps you adjust your rates for high demand days and maximize your earnings. First, navigate to the ClickChauffeur dashboard, so click on Module, then Surcharges and add a new surcharge. Once you click on the button, now you can configure your surcharge with the following details. So for the name, we want to enter the name of this surcharge, which is weekend. The start time will start at midnight and the end time start at 11:59. Days with the surcharge, so obviously we select the days when the surcharge applies. Typically this is Saturday and Sunday. You can choose only those two in the list. As for the increase, you enter an additional fixed amount if that's your strategy. It's not mine, so I will apply multiplier. I want the surcharge to be 50% more, so I input 1.5 as a multiplier. And as for the vehicles, I will apply only to the sedan. Finally, I click on the Add button to save my new surcharge, and that's it. We have successfully applied a weekend surcharge, helping us to adjust our rates for high demand days. Remember, configuring surcharges can enhance your earnings and provide better service to your clients. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep your pricing dynamic and your clients happy.